So I am back, and in the background, I don't know if you can see, but I have my original wreath that I made. And then I made another one. I got orders coming in, y'all. This is my next one. It's brown. All of it's not glued on yet. It's like 4 pieces not glued on yet, so I can't turn it all the way up. We have that one. And then this other one is supposed to be gold. I'm almost done with this one. And then you see my little silhouettes pre-cut and ready to go. But today, I was just on Google looking for the silhouette, and I saw something that I thought was a really cool thing to try. So I found this, and I wanted to see if I can do something with that, and I found this. So either one of these two is gonna be my next one. We'll see. I don't know which one. I don't know which one I should do, but I'm going for this one because her face is colored in. It's not just a silhouette, so I think I'll do that one. So stay tuned if you are interested in seeing what I do with it. So today I'm going to attempt to make a mini wreath, but I bought these for the fall because I wanted to try to do something for the fall, but I never got around to it. So I have a little mini wreath here. Right now I'm just gonna cut out her face. I don't know what I'm doing, honestly, but just cutting off the excess hair, I guess. Leaving just the face and the hat. So I just have this. She's still cute. So now I'm gonna like recreate the sides of the hair. I'm just gonna freehand draw this. So just have, let's turn this light on. I don't even know if that helps. You can see the lines right here. And oh, this is harder to do. So I'm just gonna make a circle. It's hard to cut foam board in like a little pattern like this. So I'm just gonna do it with a circle. Go ahead and use this side. Okay, so maybe we can do, I'm going to see if I can do it like this, so it'll be like a big afro, so like it's in the back. I'm just looking to see where the wreath ends, and that's about right here, I think. So I'm just gonna put the wreath on top just to make sure that my little eyeballing makes sense. I'm just gonna cut a little below my line. The line right there. Cut below the line. Told you foam board is hard to cut. And I'm gonna draw up circles. Oh, maybe I should have done one big one. I don't know, y'all. This is, I told you, I'm just going in spots. Maybe I should do this. All right, this is my line, and then I'm just gonna draw like it was continuing. So I'm just gonna draw it as if it would, the hair was continuing to come down, just to make a circle. I don't know if you can see this line here, but I'm gonna cut it and then you'll be able to clearly see the shape. So this is the shape I have here. And then we'll have it like that. So you can kind of see where I'm going. So I'm going to first glue these two pieces together. And I have the Gorilla Glue sticks for a stronger hold. Alright. The wreath is going back. And then we'll do the same thing as I did on the other wreath. We'll zip tie this to here. And you want to make sure you're doing it on where the frame, where the wire frame is going straight across the circular part, just so that it's reinforced. Because if you put it like just here, it might move. Let me glue the face on. And I want to use this my Scotch glue again. So it's glued on and she looks so cute. I would definitely suggest using a full piece of foam because you can kind of see where it's split in half. But I'm still gonna do it. I'm gonna try to make a hat with this old t-shirt. The shape is a triangle. I'm going to try to replace her hat. Maybe I should just cut her hat out. Replace her hat with my own. Oh, instead of white on the ball, we can put an ornament. And I'm just going to glue the ends over just so it can give it more like polished look. The ends are kind of scraggly here. Is that a word? Straggly, scraggly. This is a little big, so I'm gonna fold it over anyway. I'm gonna glue the hat down. this will be covered with cotton balls, so you don't have to really worry about that part. So this is what I'm thinking to put like a little ornament on the end. Maybe we could put more board behind the hat just so I can stand up straight. That is the idea, and now I'll get to the ornaments. I got more ornaments. These ones are actually from the Dollar Tree, and I like this set better, so I'll use this one first. They're like really small. $1 for 12 mini ornaments. Works really well for my mini wreath. So if you want, you can like put them down just to see where you want them to go first before starting glue. Or maybe you need to put down a few at the same time so that they don't fall over like this one. Or just put all your attention to holding it and stop multitasking like I'm trying to do. I cut areas of the foam board where it looked like it was showed through the ornament placing, just to give it a more professional look. So, fast forward to the next day. I almost posted this video without showing you guys what I did to keep the hat standing up straight. And that is just, I added more, the back doesn't need to look great. I added more foam board to the back so that this could stand up, and I brought the ball to the front so it can just show like that, and to cover this black piece right there. So that is it. I hope you guys like it, and I hope this inspired you to go to infinity and beyond with this idea. Just take it and keep going. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.